Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are doing fine. So this reading is for all the Leo people, Sun, Moon, Rising, and it is for the month of July. So let's begin with your reading. I've already pulled the cards. So talking about the outcome, or let's say talking about what exactly is happening in the month of July for you is whatever confusion you have, whatever doubts you have, whatever dilemma you've been in, or some of you have been been in an illusion. Okay, someone has been putting you in an illusion, and now July is a month where you see the truth. Okay, this is the month where truth is coming out. Okay, whatever has been hidden till now, be it universe working for you, against you, whatever, people working against you, a specific person working against you, showing a completely false reality to you, a completely false perception to you, gaslighting you, making putting you in self-doubt, everything, all of it is coming in front of you. You will get the justice, you will see the truth here. I don't know about whether you will get the justice or not, but you will get to see the truth. Okay, आपको वो सच्चाई यहाँ पे definitely दिखने वाली है, and someone has definitely been, a thief. Someone has been betraying you from behind. Okay, someone has been lying to you, someone has been framing you, or framing a different kind of reality in front of you. Everything is coming in front of you, and I think this person never thought that it's going to come out like this person never thought that it's going to you will get to know about this person's truth, or about this situation's truth like this. Okay, so something weird is happening. Okay, and all of it is coming out. You will get to see a lot of things in the month of July, so be very much prepared. Yes, you will be in some kind of confusion that whether this is true or not, but universe has its own way of showing you what you really need to see, and that is finally happening. Now, coming to your recent past energies, I do feel that you have been talking to someone who wants to give you a commitment, or who wanted to give you some kind of a commitment. This person wanted you wanted to marry you, or some communication happening on the basis of marriage, about commitment, about long term स्टेबिलिटी, बिकॉज समथिंग हैज़ बीन देयर. ओके, बिकॉज मुझे लगता है कि या तो आपके पास रिसेंटली कोई मैसेज आया था, या कुछ लोगों के पास मुझे दो सिचुएशंस लग रहे हैं. फॉर सम इट कैन बी you talking to someone who has given you a certain level of commitment. This person might have texted you, or told you that this person wants to marry you. And for some, I do feel that July is going to be an important month for you for a strong commitment. Okay, but I see you receiving some kind of a message. Now, it could be someone from your past, it could be someone new, but this person, probably this person is from past, and this person is realizing that they want to spend their life with you, and they are coming towards you. This is your energy of July. मेरे को पूरे past, present, future, outcome, everything is about your commitment and marriage. This is what I see. Okay, and also I feel that there is someone who has their own regrets. This person kind of chose their work over you. This person kind of chose their finances over you. They chose some kind of power over you. Okay, and now this person has their regrets. Okay, because this person is also realizing your value, this person is realizing your worth. पहले कहीं ना कहीं this person thought कि हाँ, you're just a normal human being and this and that, but now this person is realizing that you are very much intuitive, you have your own spiritual gifts, you have your own psychic gifts, and that is something that makes you really special. Okay, so that is why this person is coming towards you. I do feel that या तो आपको कोई message recently आया है, or some messages about to come. Okay, and this message is all about commitment. This message is about relationship or marriage. Earlier there was a third party situation as well. I do think that this person has been talking to other people, trying or exploring new connections. possibly I do feel there can be some third party situation from your side also, but now this third party situation is ending. Something is coming your way with an official in an official manner, with an official intent. Okay, there is someone who wants to become a magician in your life. This person wants to do things for you. This person has picked up their magic wand and now they really want to become action oriented in this relationship. Okay, and if there has been any kind of third party situation, they are leaving this third party situation behind, because obviously things did not work with this person. And it could be probably because there has been a lot of long distance, or there has been a lot of difference in perceptions as well. सो वो चीज़ कहीं ना कहीं मुझे लग रहा है कि जो एक ब्लॉक थी, बट नाउ दिस पर्सन इज अगेन कमिंग टूवर्ड्स यू, एंड दिस आई डू फील दैट देयर इज अ वेरी शेमलेस एनर्जी हियर, टू बी ऑनेस्ट लियो. Okay, and you can always switch the energies. It can be you, it can be someone else, so just see. But there's a possibility that you are in distance with this person. There's a physical distance and a complete no contact zone, but now this person wants to take a risk. They might want to surprise you. एकदम से आपके पास आ जाएंगे एंड बोलेंगे सी आई एम सरप्राइजिंग यू एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट. दिस इज समथिंग दैट आई सी दिस पर्सन डूइंग, बट देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ इल इंटेंशन. ओके, यहाँ पे मुझे कोई प्योर इंटेंशन नहीं दिखाई दे रही है. दिस पर्सन जस्ट वॉन्ट्स टू गेट अवे विद देयर ओन ट्रूथ्स बाय डेकोरेटिंग और गिविंग यू सम काइंड ऑफ rosy things, that see, this is what I'm doing for you, see the gesture that I'm doing. It's all to gaslight you, to make you wear rosy glasses and make you believe in something which is not even true. Okay, this is what this person is wanting to do, or it could be your energy as well. Again, I'm saying this. Okay, so you have to be very careful. इस person का जो attitude है, if I talk about this energy, they are into this energy that okay, I'm going to take this risk, I'm going to do something too funny, I'm going to do something adventurous, and we'll see what Leo is going to do. We will see how Leo is going to respond to this situation. Okay, and with you also, I also feel that you're not really taking this person very seriously right now. Okay, I do feel that you are also wanting to see what this person really has to give you, has to offer. What are they bringing on table? And I think you are just sitting back and relaxing and just being in your own energy. ठीक है, देखते हैं कि क्या करता है ये person, क्या करती है ये person, etc etc. Then we got Queen of Cups, Two of Wands. You will have the choice with the same person. I think you have been praying that the end choice should be yours. It should be you who is rejecting this person or accepting this person. Now it could be because of your ego, it could be because you're very emotional, it could be because this person has really betrayed you, left you in the dark, ghosted you, or whatever. And now universe is telling you that yes, the choice will be yours, whether you want to make this person a part of your family, whether you want to marry this person or not. Yes, the choice will be yours. And for some, I do feel those who are completely single, you might get a choice from your family side as well. It can be a choice of arranged marriage versus a love marriage proposal. कुछ लोगों के लिए मुझे ये चीज़ लग रही है. And you are very much into your intuitive side, Leo. Okay, you will be very much connected with your intuition. So I do see that you will be making very wise decisions when it comes to your relationships, when it comes to your love life, because you are attracting. We have King of Cups and Queen of Cups. So you are realizing that for this Queen of Cups, a King of Cups has to arrive. Okay, and this King of Cups is arriving into your life. Okay, this King of Cups is going to bring a big change into your life. This person is going to keep you like a baby. This person is going to treat you like a very in a very sensitive manner. This person is going to be very sensitive towards you. बहुत sensitive energies लग रही हैं. ऐसा लग रहा है that this person is going to treat you like their own baby, as if you are a baby, बहुत fragile तरीके से रखना. And this is something which is going to, bring a major change into your life, because July is the turning point of your life. Okay, mid July, especially mid July, is the turning point of your life where things are going to change. Okay, especially in your romantic life. This month for you is all about romance, Leo. Okay, it's all about your divine counterpart, it's all about your love life, it's all about with whom you are meant to be with. Okay, for some you will have an opportunity of reconciliation, but it's for very very few of you. I do see that this is more about a very beautiful connection where the other person knows how to caress you, the person knows how to treat you, the person knows how to be sensitive towards you, the person knows how to be emotionally mature, because you are now attracting a very emotionally mature person. But then again, you will have a choice, someone from your past and someone new also. I don't think if this person is from your past, मुझे नहीं लग रहा that this person has changed or anything. They will keep on using their own same old tactics with basically it's the same gift with different wrapping papers. Okay, if I talk about the past person, but if I talk about the new person, this is the person who is really going to match with your vibration. Okay, who is really going to understand you on a deeper level. Then we also got the card of Six of Swords, Temperance, and we have Imprisonment. So there's a new life starting for you and you might be a little scared about it. थोड़ा सा आपको ऐसा feel हो सकता, थोड़ा nervous feel हो सकता है, where you, because I think intuitively and even your body is telling you that finally that change is coming, finally वो healing हो रही है, finally you are receiving those blessings that you have been waiting for. Okay, so finally that person is coming into your life, but you may feel a bit anxious. Okay, थोड़ी सी imprisonment वाली feeling आ सकती है, nervousness वाली feeling आ सकती है, but this is a good nervousness. Okay, this is that वो घबराहट होती है and stuff. So I think it's something good. Okay, it's not something which will lead to which is like a bad omen or something. No, I don't see that. Then we got Two of Cups. So definitely you are going to deal with your soulmate in the month of July and you will know who your soulmate is. This person is very wealthy, and by wealthy I do not just mean someone who is very rich, but this person is wealthy from heart. Okay, they know how to give time, they know how to give time to family, their business, themselves. So this is the person that you are attracting and this is your true soulmate. This person will end a lot of illusions into your life. Okay, this person is going to break a lot of belief systems. So be ready for adapting to a new lifestyle, to new perceptions, to new belief systems, because आपका एक particular thought process है जो completely ख़त्म हो रहा है, जो completely sideline हो रहा है. Somehow I also feel that for you, you earlier you might have been attracting someone who was all good and perfect on the superficial level, on the outside, on the surface level, and now you are breaking that pattern. And कहीं ना कहीं वो आपका pattern रहा है कि आप लोगों को बहुत surface level से समझते हो. Okay, but now you are breaking the pattern because now you are trying and trusting your intuition, and that's how you're going to manifest this person into your life, if you want to see the card. And this person is going to make you that privileged lady or the man, whatever. Okay, so that is there, and a big offer is coming towards you. Okay, a big offer, a communication. Okay, someone really wants to pamper you, someone really wants to shower you with gifts. There's a possibility that this person can gift you something. Okay, they might bring you a bouquet of flowers or something that you might like. It could be a dress, it could be something where you will feel that yes, I'm really privileged, yes, I'm really pampered, because this person is going to see your standards, that oh, this is how Leo keeps themselves, this is how Leo treats themselves. So they will have this understanding कि अगर Leo अपने आप को ऐसे treat करता है, so I will have to treat them even more, like even in a much better manner, right? So this is what this person is going to do. So whatever you have been giving yourself, this person is going to give you more than what you give to yourself, okay? And that is the real sign of a true man or a true woman, someone who is really adding to your life, someone who is really adding value to your life. And this is what I see. So I just feel it's going to be a big blessing for you this entire month of July, Leo, and I think you will receive a lot of blessings from universe in this month. So that was your reading and I hope it helps. I'll see you next time. Bye bye, take care.